7:13 Saturday morning. We're starting off in Holland Centennial Park, where the ground is green. We don't have any snow down, but maybe we can lay down a light dusting or coating of sorts later on this evening. Temperatures, they are right around the freezing mark here across West Michigan, have jumped now to 34 degrees in Grand Rapids with the introduction of more clouds in recent times. Check this out, though. South Haven, it's not that often that you see South Haven 5 degrees cooler than Grand Rapids, but that's what we've got right now. Fewer clouds down to the south, thicker clouds here through central and northern sections. Now, you go out to the west, and there is another surge of some Arctic air dropping into the Dakotas. This is not going to be on a beeline, though, straight towards us in coming days, though we will be tugging on some of it. So from today's mid to upper 30s with our highs, tomorrow it'll be more like 29 or 30 for a daytime high, which means, yeah, have your winter coat handy back half of the weekend. Winds right now very, very light, so this very light winded regime coupled with some low-level moist air to some degree. We've got dew points that aren't very far from the actual temperatures, which means that you can get some decent condensation. If you got the right temps, you can get a more frost situation like that. And so the ground looks a little damp as you're driving around. I can't rule out there would be an isolated slick spot out there to start because of it, not because of any precipitation. We're going to be dry for a number of hours. We'll have some lake effect activity. We'll talk more about that for this evening. The Monday storm that we've been mentioning, the potential for it looks like a consensus of information keeping that system just off to our south. The system not really wrapping up into a big mid-latitude cyclone. If it did, and there's still time for some changes here, folks, but if it did, it would tend to take more of a northerly track. This is going to be on a more of a suppressed southerly route. So right now, no big snow for us. Midweek, though, with some colder air coming back in on northwest winds, we'll probably get some additional lake effect snow showers, and there can be some local accumulations, say later Tuesday into Wednesday. This now is for this evening. A cold front crossing as we go through this early afternoon. The coldest of the air surges in later today, and that's when we'll have some better chances for snow showers after around 8, 9 o'clock tonight. Not much going on this current radar. That's some false activity over the Detroit area. We go all the way westward, just off the coast of the Pacific Northwest, and that's where that area of clouds is approaching. That's the energy with the system that potentially could have come together to produce a substantial snow for us Monday into Tuesday. But as I say, right now it stands that is not going to be the case. Here comes that system, though, trying to gather some oomph as it moves through. And there will be an accumulating snow band here, but I don't think the classic 6 to 10 inch snow, it just never really wraps up this system. Low pressure moves up through Kentucky and into extreme eastern West Virginia. That's a bit too far south for us to get an accumulating snow of substance here. Now, could that go a little bit further north with, upcoming runs of the models? I guess that's possible, but right now it seems unlikely. So maybe just a light snow for southern sections of the viewing area there Monday and Tuesday. We'll keep tabs on that. It does go colder, though, behind that whole flow of that system. So mid to upper 20s Tuesday and Wednesday, and some localized accumulations with lake effect, then drier. Check out the warm up, upper 30s to near 40 again by next weekend.